Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to add or remove someone from WhatsApp group. So to add or remove someone, you must be a group admin, and if you are, let's begin. You want to go to WhatsApp application and let's go to the group where you want to add participants. So now we want to tap the group name at the very top of your screen like this. Now let's scroll down to a section where you can see members, participants section, and then you will see button add members. So you can use this in order to see your contacts on WhatsApp, and then you can simply tap on the contact that you want to add and then press button add members. But as well you can invite someone using a link or simply QR code if it's more convenient for you. And how to basically remove someone from a group. You want to go again to this participants section, and in order to remove a participant, if you use Android, then you have to press and hold on the person that you want to delete, and then you will see button at the bottom side of the screen, remove from group. So that's it, that's how it works. But if you use iPhone, then you have to tap person's name, and then you'll have an option to select remove from the group. Okay, and that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.